Okay, so the first question for the objective type is there. Observe the picture A and B given in the figure. There are four figures are given. These are all common to your exercise book. Okay, so it has been given that which of the following statement is correct for the above given picture. One option is that in A, car 1 and 2 will come closer, and in B, car 3 and 4 will come closer. Next, in A, car 1 and 2 will move away from each other, and in B, 3 and 4 will move away from each other. C option. In A, car 1 and 2 will move away from, and in B, 3 and 4 will come close together. Last option. In A, car 1 and 2 will come closer to each other, and in B, 3 and 4 will move away from each other. Which is the right option? Yes, yes, Aradhna.
Ma'am, option D is correct.
Is Aradhna correct, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Next. So already we know we have done this experiment in the book, है ना? So because in case of the A option, North Pole and South Pole are attracting each other, will attract each other, and in B, both are South Pole, they will repel each other. Okay, so that is why the option D. Next. There is an arrangement. You can see that the magnetic keepers are there. How to preserve the bow magnets? Which one will be the right way? Which option arranged to store two magnets and shown in figure A, B, C, D? Which one of them is a correct arrangement? Raise your hands only. Agamjot.
Ma'am, D.
She is right. She is right.
Ma'am, which option did she answer?
D option.
Ma'am, D is not correct.
Why D is not correct?
Ma'am, if we go by the labeling, then
Because D is having metal. D is not correct. That should be a wooden block. Okay. So what will be the option? That will be B option. B option. Okay. Clear? I'm moving to the next one. Again.
B or
Yes.
D?
D will not be there. Metal plate बीच में रहेगा तो नहीं होगा ना. We have to place a non-magnetic substance in between the two magnets, है ना? So it will be B option.
Ma'am,
Yes.
only told B option, so it's correct.
B. She has told B. It will be
No,
B.
ma'am.
B.
Told
ठीक
B.
है.
Ma'am,
ठीक है.
part of the incorrect answer
Okay.
that
Okay. You can see three bar magnets are there, and on the two poles, iron fillings have been attached. And by seeing this, you can measure the strength of the magnet, Aryan, which is having the large. Arrange them.
Ma'am, A1.
A is having the highest, then B, and then C is having the least. Very good. Okay. So it will be the A option. Next, the north pole of a magnet can be identified by Ankita.
Ma'am, A option. Ma'am, another magnet having its poles marked as North Pole and South Pole, as we can see repulsion and attraction.
Yes,
Ma'am,
I
so
can.
if we face the North Pole towards the iron bar and we bring them closer and they repel each other, we can tell that it's the North Pole.
Okay, yes, very good. Next, a bar magnet is immersed in a heap of iron fillings and pulled out. The amount of iron fillings cling to Dipta. Are you there, Dipta, in the class?
Ma'am, the A1.
It is the option.
A. And North Pole is almost equal to the.
Yes, a bar magnet is immersed in a heap of iron. The amount of iron fillings cling to the North Pole is amount equal to the, yes, the amount will be equal to same with the North Pole and the South Pole, because
Third question only.
yes,
Ma'am, we can see in third question only, ma'am, the bar magnet.
yes, we can see the third question only that has been given. Now fill in the blanks. Next, okay. Again, raise your hands, don't ask. Dash is a natural magnet which is actually an. Yes. Yes,
Ma'am,
Agamjot.
ma'am, it will be ma'am rock.
Yes,
Ma'am, the
Devanshi.
magnet
Yes,
is ma'am.
it's a rock.
Ma'am, it will be magnetite is a natural magnet which is actually
Rock. Actually, a rock. Okay.
actually a rock. Ma'am,
Yes.
it's actually a rock.
Dash, and dash are the magnetic material because they are. So, answer will be Ashmita.
Ma'am, lodestone is also a natural magnet.
Yes, lodestone is also a natural magnet. That is given a lodestone. Magnetite का नाम दिया गया था तब. It has been named as lodestone as it was attracting the iron
Ma'am,
towards it.
ma'am,
Okay.
lodestone is named as magnetite.
Yes. Please, Ashmita, tell me. Second one. Second one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, iron, cobalt, and metal are magnetic materials because they are.
Iron, cobalt, and nickel, not metal. Iron, cobalt, and nickel are the magnetic material
Uh,
because they are
Am I doing it now?
attracted by
Ma'am,
magnets.
attracted.
Then NCRT exercise already we have done. You are going to do by yourself. These have been done. Okay. I'm coming to question number 9. Ninth one. Opposite poles of two magnets dash each other and similar poles dash each other. Harshita.
Ma'am,
Harshita. Harshita, question number 9. Harshita, question number 9.
can
Opposite
I?
poles of magnet. Yes, yes, Rudra.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, Rudra, bolo. Jaldi.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, opposite poles of two magnets attract each other, and while similar poles
They
repel another.
repel each other. Repel. Attract होगा और
Oh,
repel होगा. These two words will be there. Next, 10th
okay,
question.
ma'am.
The dash of a plastic pencil sharpener gets attracted to a magnet. Nancy, 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 Nancy. Is she not there in the class?
Blade.
Shivam, give the answer.
Ma'am, blade.
Yes, the metallic blade. Metallic blade. Please do write metallic blade. Okay, artificial magnets are made up of an alloy of artificial
Ma'am,
magnets. Yes, yes, Ankita.
no, why ask?
Yes, Ankita.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so they could be made up of an alloy of ma'am iron and ma'am
Iron,
iron,
nickel, cobalt. There is maybe
iron, nickel, ma'am, all the
Ma'am,
magnetic
iron nickel.
materials.
yes. Along with that, some non-magnetic materials are also mixed in alloy, like carbon. Okay. You know the stainless steel जो हम लोग use करते हैं, that is a mixture of iron, nickel, cobalt, carbon particles are also mixed with it. Okay. Next, when a bar magnet is broken, each broken part will have dash poles.
Ma'am,
Aryan,
ma'am, North Pole and South Pole.
have two poles or north pole and south pole. कोई भी ऑप्शन आप लिख सकते हैं. In a bar magnet, magnetic attraction is dash its ends, dash near its end is
Ma'am,
नहीं, Kanupriya will answer.
ma'am,
Kanupriya, you have raised your hands. बताओ answer.
ma'am, she hasn't.
She has raised a little bit.
Ma'am,
Yes, Devanshi.
ma'am, in a bar magnet, ma'am, magnetic attraction is strong near the ends.
Strongest. Okay, सबसे ज़्यादा. Strongest. Okay.
Ma'am is strongest near the ends.
So this all fill in the blanks and the MCQ is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.